Hi, I'm Andy. Welcome to Toolfinder TV. Today we're going to have a look at a Makita 9554 NBKD mini angle grinder. It's a 710 watt machine. It's an M14 thread. Its blade guard is normal. It's available in 110 and 240 volt. Comes free with an abrasive disc and diamond disc. In the box we have the side handle for stability and use, and also the pin spanner for changing the blade. On the machine you have the thumb lock for changing blade, and the dead man switch which can be locked on for continuous use. Available now at toolfinder.co.uk.